Where are we?
We're at
Bastrop State Park.
State Park.
Or you can say we're at the Lost Pines. This park was kind of burnt up in the fire they had 10 years ago.
That's a baby.
We missed the forests of the east. We're hiking the loop trail at Bastrop State Park. It's a little disappointing because of the forest fire that they had. I was hoping for a nice tall pine forest, but the ranger told me that the fire burnt 96% of the park.
We're leaving trails.
Good. So we don't get lost.
Yeah, if you see two, that means that we could just
That
follow
we
the
were
footprint.
here.
Okay, keep going.
Gloria, there's also a footprint.
This is the burnt out area of the Lost Pines. Somehow these trees survived the fire.
Where would the fire stop?
It's almost 5 o'clock in the evening.